Ready to supercharge your Discord security? Let's get you set up with Authy in under 2 minutes. First, open Discord and navigate to user settings by clicking the gear icon next to your username. It's usually located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, find and click on the My Account tab, usually the first option under user settings. This is where you'll manage your account details and security features. Scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication section. You'll find a button that says Enable Two-Factor Auth. Click it. Discord will present you with two options, Authenticator App or SMS Authentication. Choose Authenticator App. This is where Authy comes in. Make sure you have Authy already installed on your phone. Discord will display a QR code. Open the Authy app on your smartphone and tap Add Account. Then, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code from Discord. Authy will generate a 6-digit code. This code changes every 30 seconds for enhanced security. Now, go back to Discord and enter the 6-digit code generated by Authy into the provided field. Double-check that you've entered it correctly before proceeding. Discord will then give you backup codes. These are essential. Download them, print them, or write them down and store them in a safe place if you lose access to Authy. These codes are your lifeline to get back into your account. And that's it. Discord will confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled with Authy. You've now successfully added an extra layer of protection to your Discord account. Stay safe out there.